Hello everyone, this is your TA Oscar, and this is just going to be a short little tutorial on how to set up projects correctly on the R drive and how to manage your data so you don't have to go through pain later, essentially. So, first things first, before you even get into Arc, what I like to do is go back to Windows, the file structure here. So this is in 572, but you'll be creating them in your R drive for 372. Right now I'm in just the R drive here. 1 second. And just under my name, right? First things I like to do is create a new folder. Let's call this Lab 3. And that's where I'm going to put all my data. And so here's the data folder on Geog 370. This is the data. I'm just copying this. Yes. Copy, go back to Lab 3. I'm going to paste that data right in that folder. And now it's currently a zip file, so we need to extract it. Just hit this extract all, say extract. This will create a folder within our folder to so we can use it. Basically, this is compressed data. Arc can't access compressed data. After you're done with that, if you want to keep running your zip file, you can. I'm just going to delete this. So now that we have that, let's go back to Arc. We're going to click, first things first. Okay, before we go to Arc, actually, we're going to go up here, and we're going to copy this file path right here. Now, what this allows us to do is when we go to create a new map, click on Map, and it's going to bring up this. And it's tempting to just click OK and get going, but you'll notice that this is creating it on the C drive, which is your local drive. We want it on the R drive, right? So if you click this little folder icon over here, it's going to bring up this little GUI. If you click right here on this white bar, you can access that file path. I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to press, I'm going to paste my new file path. Click Enter. So you might want to just go back one, click Lab 3, click OK. Looks like it's in the proper place. I'm just going to name that Lab 3, click OK. This should just take a minute. Okay, great. So now that our Arc project has been created, one way we can check to make sure that it's in the R drive once this is finished up is we can kind of look at the sources here. Not really sure what's taking this so long, but that's okay. We're very patient people, right? But so you can also see if you go to your Lab 3, you have a lot of this Arc stuff. So I named both these Lab 3, if that's a little confusing. There's first the Lab 3 folder, and then there's the Lab 3 Arc Project folder. But I have my data out here. Not now. Geez, this is taking a little bit of time, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, okay, there we go. So one way to check to make sure it's in the R drive, or any project is, so you can click Project over here, and you can go down to Options, I believe. And hopefully this will allow us to look at options. Yeah, okay. So it'll bring you to current settings, and we can see everything right here is in the R drive, which is what we want. And now we have our data, which is also in the R drive in the same folder. We can add our Benton 2000 shapefile, and that'll create a link to the R drive as well. Another way you can check where the data is stored is if you right click on the layer name and you go down to Properties and you go down to Source. You can see that right here that it's stored in the R drive. So that's all for today, or for this little video.